everybody. Welcome back to Program Premiere here at Washington State Community College. I'm Megan, and each week we are spotlighting some of our academic programs. So you can tune in each week and we will have a different feature for you. And joining us today is Chrissy Manley, the program director here at Washington State for HIMT. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me today.
Absolutely. So Chrissy, can you tell me a little bit about HIMT and what kind of career path a student might be able to obtain through this program?
Yeah, so HIMT is one of the professions that's hidden in the background. So from the time that a patient goes to the office for an office visit or in for procedure, patient information is generated. And oftentimes that information is used by other health professionals, and it's up to the health information management professional to manage that information from the time that information goes into the system or on paper. So there's the electronic and the paper information. And at that time, it's our job to collect, analyze, and protect all of that information.
Okay, great. And what might prospective students expect out of this program who might be joining in?
So something that's really interesting about this program is it's fully online, and it can be completed from your home amongst your work-life balance, taking care of kids, working in another position. So it's going to give you opportunities to receive many external certifications in billing, coding, medical billing, medical coding, and then also the Registered Health Information Technician certification upon completion of this semester of the degree.
Okay, great. And can you tell us a little bit about some of the courses that will be expected to be taken by prospective students?
Yes. So one real interesting thing about this program is we're using real-life applications of what students would be experiencing out in industry. And I think COVID has taught us a lot, especially with vendors stepping forward and giving educational institutions access to more information. So that is really good for our students. So we're going to be implementing that in this year. And then additionally, legal, statistics, quality, healthcare quality, information governance, a lot of wonderful health information management courses that help us, analyze and store and protect health information management. So medical professionals can ensure that patients are receiving top quality care.
Great. And is there a deadline to register for this course?
Because we're just starting this program this year, July 15th will be our deadline for applicants. Now, because we're just starting, we will look at applications after that point, so do reach out to me. We have a lot of wonderful information on the website. The program application is on the website under Health Information Management Technology and Medical Billing Coding. There's an interest form also. I look at that every week, and I'm reaching out to everybody who is interested. And then if they're ready, I'm sending them the program application.
Great, okay. So Chrissy, I understand that you have an information session coming up. Can you tell us about that?
Sure. Our information session is June 22nd from 5:30 to 7. I'm going to be talking about the Health Information Management Technology program, the Medical Billing Coding program, and I'm really excited to see the applications come in, answer questions, and just be available for questions that anyone has regarding the programs.
Great. Okay. Is there anything else that you'd like to share with us about the HIMT program?
I'm just really excited. We just received accreditation from the Higher Learning Commission. So we have approval from the Ohio Department of Higher Education and HLC at this point. So we are ready to move forward. Our first cohort will start this August. And I look forward to seeing a lot of applications come in.
Okay, well thank you so much, Chrissy, for joining us today. And if you have any questions that you'd like us to answer about the program, please feel free to comment below and we'll be happy to get back with you on that.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you next Tuesday.
Bye.